Okay, so today we have the slow-cooked beef barbacoa from Frontera. Got this at Costco, of course. It's fully cooked. You just heat and serve, and away you go. So here's the nutritional information. Here are the instructions. Looks pretty simple. So let's try it out. So I got my pan. I'm going to put it at medium high, and let's see what we've got here. We've got our beef mixture, and here's the red chili sauce itself. So we'll start off with the beef. Looks very stew-like. So following the instructions, I'll set the timer for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. So as you can see, it's starting to fall apart. It's getting more tender. The sauce is starting to reduce.
A few moments later.
Now back to my handy instructions. Sauce time. I'll mix it up a little. So at this point, I already cooked the beef at medium-high for about 8 minutes or so. I then added the sauce, and I cooked it for another probably 5 to 7 minutes. So let's grab a flour tortilla. Gather some assorted toppings. So here's the finished barbacoa beef. I'll add 4 ounces of beef to the tortilla. And now it's time to add some toppings. So a quick note, I have chicken burritos multiple times each week. So I'm just using the same toppings I use for those chicken burritos. So first some diced onions, then some guac, a little hot sauce to go on it. I'll be skipping the salsa and rice today. Got some cheese. I know some would say don't put cheese on this, but I put cheese on everything basically as far as tacos and burritos. Add some shredded lettuce. So that's the leftover beef. Here's what I ended up with. I rolled it up into a burrito. Let's take a bite and check it out. Okay, so upon first bite, what I immediately noticed is that it's heavier tasting than I'm accustomed to. It has a sweetness that hits you right away, along with a saltiness and a tanginess. The beef is definitely tender, and it kind of reminds me of a barbecue stew, I guess. It's something I don't think I eat all the time, but I'd probably still pick it up a couple of times a year just to switch things up. I definitely prefer my regular weekly homemade chicken burritos to this, but it's not bad. So as you can see, after eating the burrito, we still had over 14 ounces of beef left. So that's going to the fridge as leftovers, and that should be good for another 3 or 4 more burritos. So that's it for this slow-cooked barbacoa beef. Something you can pick up at Costco or probably anywhere, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see ya.